The Iguazu National Park consists of two national parks. One is Foz de Iguazu, Brazil, and the other one in Puerto Iguazu, Argentina.
The name Iguazu comes from the Guarani words meaning big water. The Iguazu Falls on the Argentine side are located 18 kilometers from Puerto Iguazu.
The Iguazu National Park on the Argentine side has 6 different circuits to do. To get to the Devil's Throat, it is necessary to take the ecological train of the jungle, which takes all its visitors through the park.
Rainforest train designed to transport 250 people throughout the park and at the same time maintain the integrity of the jungle and friendly to the environment.
This train has 3 stations. One is in the visitor center, the other is Cataratas in the middle of park near the lighthouse, and finally the last station is Garganta station. From Garganta station, the path that takes you directly to the Devil's Throat and has several stops with seats in the middle to rest. The Devil's Throat allows you to be meters away from the most impressive fall and see it from above. Below, you will have all the mist generated by this and the sound that catches your attention during the circuit as you get here. The upper circuit train, distancing of 1750 meters, allows you to have a panoramic view of Iguazu Falls from the upper walkway.
Here you can also see a bit of the lower circuit. You will have a view from above of the Dos Hermanas, Chico, Ramirez, Bossetti, Aaron and Eva, Mendez, and finally Nibigua waterfalls. The Grand Aventura, that is Great Adventure Boat Ride, begins from the Visitor Center. We shall enter the jungle by the Yakaratia Trail in trucks specially designed for this environment. This 5 kilometers long stretch ends at Porto Macuco. We will walk through over 150 meters of steep stairs to embark the boats that shall be sailing in the lower Iguazu River for 6 kilometers, heading towards the waterfall area, enjoying plentiful rapids. Most exciting point comes when facing the San Martin waterfall. The Tres Mosqueteros Fall.
The lower circuit allows you to enter the jungle through various stairs and walkways, where you will see flora and fauna of the area. As you move forward, you will see a beautiful panoramic view of the falls. The Iguazu River tumbles over the edge of the Parana Plateau. The falls consist of a two-step waterfall formed by 3 layers of basalt.
The name Iguazu comes from the Guarani words meaning big water. Legend has it that a deity planned to marry a beautiful woman named Nike, who fled with her mortal lover Taroba in a canoe. In a rage, the deity sliced the river, creating the waterfalls and condemning the lovers to an eternal fall.